Hey! So, it's Major here, slash I love Dominic R. And I'm here to tell you about being a fan of Dominic. So, first, I actually started idolizing Dominic Tiger during ANTM Cycle 17, Ulcer Cycle. And then, for me, she had the X Factor. During the time, I don't know why do I idolize her. She's great. In every photo shoot, she is so amazing. Her photos are amazing. Even though they said that she is not the most memorable girl during the cycle, not for me, because for me, she is the most memorable girl during the cycle. So, I actually started to love Dominic so much during their photo shoot in Caparosia. Plus, their music video, when they made a music video which looks like Jennifer Lopez and Beyonce. I really love Jennifer Lopez and Beyonce a lot in terms of the music industry. They're amazing. Plus, one thing that when she gets out in the competition, she started to interact with her fans using social media sites like Facebook and Twitter. And then she also released her very first single called On Top of the World, which is really a great, fun, dance, exciting track. Also an inspirational track that you guys should hear it, I assure you. And during December, she made game on her Facebook page. It's a question and answer game, which I won the poster and the On Top of the World CDs. And then during that time as well, I started to become active in using Facebook and Twitter, because Dominic often uses it time and until now. And then during December as well, I wasn't expecting that Dominic going to follow me back on Twitter. Because I think she only follows certain people that she know in person. And then I was real overwhelmed with that. I am lucky to be followed by Dominic Reigard. This on January 17th, I think, she posted on her Facebook page, she said on her Facebook page that, guys, I have to stop and say hi and thanks to what I call a super fan, Major. She is on my Twitter and Facebook every day, and she has made Facebook and Twitter fan pages. Major, you are official now on Top of the World. And of course, I was real happy. No one did to me that thing. I'm a fan of many, but Dominic stand out a lot. Then on February 4, I was watching one of the video blogs of Manny Roman, which featured Dominic Reigard on the video blog. And while watching it, I wasn't expecting that Dominic Reigard would greet me in that video, in that video blog. She said, hold on, let me think of it first. So this is what Dominic had said on the video blog.
Wait to see the pictures. You have no idea. Matter of fact, I can wait for you to see the pictures.
What about this Twitter fan that jumped on this before we did? Like 10 seconds later, she really loves you. What's her name?
Mayjoy? I just say hi, Mayjoy. thank you for all your support. You are so sweet and kind-hearted. You go out your way every single day to say something positive, uplifting, and I appreciate fans like you. I appreciate all my fans, as a matter of fact, but I just want to give a special shout out to May Joy. And you know what? I think I'm going to start shouting out to all my fans, do a little video about all my fans. May Joy, there may be a video coming up soon all about you.
So that's what she said to me on the video blog, which I wasn't expecting that she is going to do it. When I heard my name, when I heard that she said my name, I was like, oh my God! My heart starts beating fast. There's another thing that, hold on. This is it. The reasons why I love Dominic is that, she is truly a great inspiration each and every one of us, because her words are amazing. I would always say that to her. Watching her interviews inspired many people a lot. That you shouldn't give up. Maybe life is hard. There's not such an easy thing. But look where she is now. She's on top of the world. She also inspired us by her song, especially on top of the world. So the message of the song was living her life to the fullest, live it on top of the world. Because the way how she interacts with her fans on Facebook and Twitter was amazing. Lots of TV personalities don't interact with her fans and how she interacts with her fans. I read other fans with her that saying that I hope Dominic arted my tweet or just tweet me, and then later on I will saw Dominic arted that tweet and tweet that person plus she is such an amazing singer / model. I love her. I love Dominic Craigard so much. I always said that she inspired a lot. But she is an amazing singer. And then another thing is just like what I said to you guys first, that she has an X factor which I cannot explain. Why do I love Dominic so much? It's like there's really something in her that I cannot explain. Hold on. So that's the reason why I love Dominic Craigard so much. For sure you guys would love her. Listen to her music always. Download her songs, so you can keep updated with her on Facebook and Twitter. So it's www.facebook.com/Dominic Craigard, and on her Twitter it's at DominicANTM, and also visit her website. It's www.DominicCraigard.com, and subscribe to her YouTube channel. She posts her videos in there, plus her interviews as well. So it's DominicANTM11. So yeah. So Dominic Craigard, thanks for being such a great inspiration to me. Thanks for being such a nice, sweet, and very down-to-earth person to me, for showing all the love to your fans. Thank you for giving me a chance to meet you when you were here in the Philippines as well. And then hope you would not change. Continue to inspire us more. Your music, keep us rocking. I know you will be the next YouTube sensation too. So, not another thing is that thank you for bringing me on top of the world with you. I always said that I'm always here supporting, I'm always at your back. Yeah, love you, Tommy. Another thing is that thanks for making me happy. You always made me smile whenever you notices me, whenever I receive tweets from you or artists and favorites from you. Thank you for liking everything I do for you. The TED pictures and the birthday present that I made for you. I thought you're not going to like it because I think that's a disaster. And thank you for the posters, CDs, postcard, and the handkerchief that I asked you to sign, but still you put a short message on. Hope to see you soon once you visit Philippines again. And another thing is that always take care. I want you to know that I always dream big. You always rock my world whenever I listen to your music. Hope to hear more about you soon. More music to come, more projects to come. Care, I love you.